Hi children, last class we have discussed about one-dimensional array. Today we will discuss about the basics operations which can be performed an array. What are the basics operations which can be performed an array? There are 5 basics operations which can be performed an array. First one is searching, second one is sorting, third one is delete, fourth one is insert, and fifth one is merging. In that we will start, first we will study about the searching. What is searching? Search in an array means the process of checking a particular value in array refer to search. If the value is present in the array index number of the element which is being searched will display. Example, here I am, how many elements I am taken here? 8 elements are there. In 8 elements I have to search which number? 7. If the 7 is present in that elements, what will be? Value 7 is available at the index number. So search is over. That means this process what we call search in an array. Any number you have to search in the elements. If that element is not present in the search, so we can say that search was unsuccessfully, otherwise search was not found. Search technique. Very common search technique are linear search and binary search. Linear search is very simple, but binary search is difficulty. First we will discuss about the linear search. What is linear search? Linear search. Each element of the array is compared one by one with the given value to be searched until the search value is found or all elements have been compared. That means before starting search we have store a variable as false, and that false we have stored in which data type? Boolean data type. What was that? Flag. And what is given? Flag is equal to false. Now we are inputting the elements. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements are there. In 10 elements, index number, what was that index number? 0 to 9. In 10 elements, you have to search which number? 54. So how will you search? 51 equal to 54? That was wrong. 54 equal to 26? That also wrong. 54 equal to 11? That also wrong. 54 equal to 31? That also wrong. 54 equal to 73? That also wrong. 81 equal to 54? That also wrong. 54 equal to 54? That means correct. That means our search was here. And which index that was? 54 in 6th index. That means if search is successfully, then we have to print that index number. What was that? 6th, because 54 is present in 6th index number. Now you have to assign what? You have to assign flag equal to true because it was correct. No. So we have to write here flag equal to true because our search was successfully. Then we have to break it. If the number is not present here, so what you have to write? Flag equal to false. That means the print element not found. That means overall we can say that you have to compare all the elements from which number you have to search. So this was the technique of searching. It is very easy to compare 51 like this also you have to compare. You can compare with a 54 you have to compare with this 6. Like this you have to compare, means you have to compare the elements of the given values. Now there is a simple example of linear search. You have to class the name, that was linear search. You have to give the public static void main. After that use the scanner class, then enter the elements. Then you have to call out the numbers, then take one loop. Which loop? Then after that you have to take one variable. That variable, what was that? Temp. Temp is a local variables, that a or of I. Then if that you have to see that whether it equal k is equal to 10, that means search was successfully. Then after that close it. This is the simple example of linear search. In your textbook, as linear search example is there by using the scanner class or input string. You just go through it. If you're finding any difficulty, you can call me or text me. Next class we will discuss about the binary search. I think you will understood. Thank you.